Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking sardine concoction rice. Yes, sardine concoction rice. Yes, I'm going to be using sardine. Yes, to cook my concoction rice today. The first thing I did, I pour my vegetable oil inside the pot. I allow it to hot for some minutes before I slide a bit of onions. Then I had my sardine, and this is a picture of pepper I use onions, I use bell pepper, I use the long pointed pepper as well. I blended everything together. And the seasoning I use curry, thyme, nutmeg, crayfish. I use crayfish, the grounded crayfish. And as you all know, I use no cube, I use 2 cube. So I'll allow it to cook for some minutes before I put my rice inside it. Yes, as you can see, I'm mixing them all together, and the next thing I'm going to add a bit of water and cover. And as you can see, my rice is ready. Please guys, kindly subscribe to my page, kindly comment, kindly like. Your subscription, like I used to say in most of my videos, your subscription, your likes, your comments keep me going. I love you guys. Please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye.